Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Meteghan River is a small coastal community located in the municipality of Clare in Digby County, Nova Scotia. Situated along St. Mary's Bay, it is part of one of the largest Acadian regions in the province. The community itself is small, with a population of only a few hundred residents, but it is closely connected to neighboring communities such as Meteghan, Saulneyville, and Clare, creating a larger regional population that shares strong cultural and economic ties. The area was settled primarily by Acadian families during the 18th century. After the expulsion of the Acadians, many families eventually returned to southwestern Nova Scotia and re-established communities along the coastline. Acadian culture remains a defining characteristic of Meteghan River today. French is still widely spoken throughout the region, and many residents maintain traditions that have been passed down through generations. The waters of St. Mary's Bay have shaped life in Meteghan River for centuries. Fishing has long been the backbone of the local economy and remains one of the area's most important industries. Many residents work in lobster fishing, scallop fishing, seafood harvesting, and seafood processing. Fishing vessels can often be seen operating throughout the region, particularly during lobster season, which plays a major role in the local economy. In addition to fishing, residents work in a variety of occupations including construction, transportation, healthcare, education, retail, forestry, and government services. Some people operate small local businesses, while others commute to nearby communities for employment. Tourism also contributes to the economy, as communities the summer months when visitors come to explore the Acadian coast and enjoy the scenic beauty of southwestern Nova Scotia. One of the defining features of Meteghan River is its coastal setting. The shoreline along St. Mary's Bay provides impressive views of the water, fishing harbors, and surrounding countryside. The region is known for its rugged coastline, changing tides, and opportunities for boating, kayaking, fishing, and wildlife observation. These natural features help attract visitors while also contributing to the quality of life enjoyed by residents. Housing in Meteghan River is generally considered affordable compared to many larger communities in Nova Scotia. Average home prices often range between $200,000 and $350,000, although waterfront properties and larger homes may sell for higher amounts. Buyers are often attracted by the combination of coastal scenery, affordability, and access to outdoor recreation. Location also plays an important role in the region. Nearby schools serve both English and French-speaking students, and Université Sainte-Anne in nearby Church Point provides French-language post-secondary education. The university serves as an important cultural and educational institution for Acadian communities throughout Nova Scotia. Today, Meteghan River remains a community shaped by its Acadian heritage, coastal environment, and strong connection to the fishing industry. Its combination of maritime traditions, natural beauty, and community spirit continues to define life in this part of southwestern Nova Scotia. For residents and visitors alike, Meteghan River offers an authentic glimpse into one of the province's most enduring coastal cultures. Thanks for watching!